Gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away.
Good morning. Victor is playing with his cars. We just emptied out the dishwasher and I am making Victor some pancakes, just some banana, flour, 1 egg and some almonds, like round almonds. So I'm making his pancakes, and then for myself I think I'm gonna have a bagel. I've been obsessed with these bagels. I got these from Sainsbury's, but what I really love about them, they're delicious, but look, they come already cut up. The lazy bum in me loves this. So yeah, I got those bagels which I'm obsessed with. So I'm gonna have one of those with some Philadelphia cheese. I got the garlic and herbs one. I've never tried this one before, but it looks good. I'm gonna cook this in the pan, so just one bacon strip and then some raspberries. I'm gonna put these out for Victor as well and see if he will eat them. And then I've got my OJ, so that's going to be breakfast. Thank you.
Daddy.
Daddy, Victor. Ah, listen, Daddy. Oh, you're so sweet. Come on, Victor.
Na na na.
It's yummy yummy.
Yum, 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 yum.
Nom nom nom. Big.
Pancake.
Big big. Mmm. Papa.
Go banana.
Mmm. Mmm.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you. You got me too.
Such a beautiful day. We've been so lucky with the weather. It's been so sunny and I think 20 plus degrees Celsius. So it's just been the perfect weather for going outside. So yeah, we had breakfast this morning. I got ready for the first time in weeks, probably like a week or two, because yeah, I just had everything packed up, so I didn't really feel like getting ready, but I feel like a new woman now that I've put on some makeup, did my hair. Look what the Victor's doing. He brought his toilet. Are you having a poop? Pee-pee? Yeah, so we are going to pop into John Lewis this morning because we have to get a lot of things. But yeah, I feel like we have a huge shopping list, and each time we go into town we get like a couple of bits at home and then we have to go again. So yeah, we just feel like we have you know, we're lacking a lot of things, so we're going to have to buy quite a bit. We placed an Ikea order and we have to get a few things from Amazon as well. I'm gonna get some storage for the cupboards in here, but I have to measure out everything. So yeah, we're just going to pop into John Lewis because we want to get some more home stuff. I think I want to get Victor a scooter. I'm not sure if they have them in John Lewis. I know they have some toys, but I'm not sure if they have scooters. I'm gonna have to look because we went to the park and he saw other kids playing with scooters. Yeah? Yes, we saw other kids playing with scooters and he really wanted one, but I didn't let him, you know, take the toys from other kids. So we figured we would buy him one because I think he would really enjoy it. So yeah, it was really funny because at the park some kids, like there was this little girl and Victor was following her everywhere and she kept telling him, "You can't have my scooter." They're so cute. So yeah, going to see if we can find that. Let's do a John Lewis haul.
Literally bought only one thing.
Yeah. Got a water filter. and some things from Primark.
Gotta stay hydrated. 3, shit. Shush. Uno, doi.
He fooled you.
Lifts his legs up.
Oh, you're so cool.
Dirty.
Now, hey. It's not perfect, but look. I don't think you can see it once it's put up. What are you doing?
Așa pun, vezi aici, that's the sticky part.
Mm-hmm.
So I should just glue it like this.
Dirty.
Do you need help?
Dirty.
I have my help.
I can see. Hey! Hey! Sneaky, sneaky. You're not sleepy. He's just pretending. Such precision. Looking good. They really are blackout blinds, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
They were very cheap as well. Ooh, nice. You've got your QA wrap in here.
Yeah, so, Not
What?
looking good, not looking good.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the problem. Okay, I see, uh-huh.
Try again.
Go over. They'll come again tomorrow to inspect. I'd say you should sleep on it.
Wow, the dad jokes are real. We also got these baskets to go in there. Look, I made one.
Wow, that's
One.
so good.
One down, 7 more to go. Ew. Look. I think it looks so much better. What do you think?
It does. I mostly care about the storage. I think he's dizzy. Hey, girl.
Say go, go, go.
Gung,
Go, go, go.
gung, gung.
Go, go, go.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Hey, there's a squirrel. Oh, that's a big one. Wow, good job.
Chicken.
Wow.